Welcome to part 2 of our lesson on blocking. In this section, I'm going to teach you about the differences in blocking between the stage, when you're doing a play or a musical theater production, and blocking for the screen, when you're working in a movie or in a television show, anything with a camera. Even though blocking is a big part of both, how it's used is a lot different on the stage than on the screen. First, let's talk about stage blocking. This will be important when you work in any kind of play, theater acting. Unlike a movie or television show where the scenes can take place anywhere, in the theater, you'll almost always be working within the same space, the stage. And also, unlike movies and television, where your movement in a scene can be much looser, where you move on the stage is always much more blocked out. One of the most important things to know when it comes to blocking in theater is stage direction. If you don't know what the different parts of the stage are called, or where they are, when a director gives you a blocked movement, you won't know what the heck he's talking about. So let's go over the stage direction terms now. Upstage. Okay. Upstage means the back of the stage, the area furthest away from the audience. Downstage. Downstage means the front of the stage, or the area closest to the audience. Simple enough, right? Stage right, stage left. Most of the time when you're being blocked, the director will tell you how to move based on stage right and stage left. Stage right and stage left basically means you're right or left if you're standing on the stage and looking out at the audience. House left and house right. Occasionally you'll be given direction as house left or house right. The audience is the house, so that means to move right or left of them, as the audience would see it. Just remember that stage right and stage left are your stage right and left, because you're on the stage, and house left and house right are the opposite of that. There are also different kinds of stages, like theater in the round, where the audience surrounds the whole stage. If you're doing that kind of theater, they usually just drop house directions and give you stage directions. And which way those are depends on which way you face the audience for your performance.